I've challenged myself to take nothing and turn it into something. So, with only junk, I'm going to make a chicken tractor. And it'll look like this. Switch it up! Alright, so brand new, this was a welding fab tent. And when it got broken, we welded each half into a triangle. Because I had a sneaking suspicion that I would be hatching more chicks someday, and I wanted to make this into a chicken tractor for them. So, we're going to figure out how to stick the wood onto the metal, first of all. So, what we decided to do was to attach the top board onto the metal by, first of all, just holding it steady with 2 screws for the attachment to hang the food from. And we just drilled it through the middle of the metal. To attach the plywood to the metal that is on the back of the chicken tractor, we drilled into it and attached them with little bolts. And then we cut off the excess plywood that we had. And this is all just old reclaimed wood. None of this is new. Obviously, it looks a little bit weathered, but it will do. Ta-da! My lovely anonymous helper was so kind to help me space out the boards. The plan is to sort of have half of the chicken tractor covered and then the other half can be wire. So this way, no matter where it is placed in the field, they can have some shelter.
It was cuter when he was just staring.
It's like the official inspector. Yeah. Everything, yeah, the whole thing is repurposed. Oh. Inspector says yes. And after finding a piece of old tin and some old chicken wire that was in the barn, we just kind of slapped it all together. And honestly, I think it's kind of cute. So we are just getting ready to go for our first test drive and see how it does. And it's awesome. Drags pretty good. And those babies sure love it. They absolutely adore being out in the sunshine. The yellow chain in the front that you just saw there was for hanging their food. And then we also got them a water in there. And they seem pretty content. Well, you guys, this cost $0 to make. It was made from entirely things that were laying around the farm or trash. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. And click that subscribe button, click the like button, and turn on that notification bell if you want to see more repurposing projects. Bye, guys!